took that picture too.
Rinse with this for a good 15 seconds. Spit it back in the cup and hand it back to me.
You took it all. "15 seconds passed already."
She's like, let's get this over with. Let's
Yeah.
do this.
It's for when you start drooling, if you start drooling. Most people do, so if you do,
Ew.
don't feel bad. Just like when I
We're
march,
gonna
I
have
let
to
your
like
tongue hang
move
out.
over.
Okay, lift it up like you're trying to touch your nose. One more time. Let it hang down. There you go. Now lift it up. Somebody give her a hand.
What's that?
She was looking for a hand.
I got it. I'm about to.
Too late.
Oh wait.
Look at it.
You are so dumb. Drooling all over yourself.
Did it hurt?
Yeah.
Oh, that's like a pinch.
Alex. Alex.
Now you're gonna talk like that for a little while.
Don't like to worry about it now.